Galaxy Ring. Oh, did y'all see how much this is going to be? That's kind of where I expected it, but a little more expensive than I think some people were anticipating the Galaxy Ring to be. We got some price leaks, right? So a new report claims that the European variant, man, it's really storming outside. The European, let me check the radar. The European variant or listing of this Galaxy Ring was leaked, right? Now, this Galaxy Ring starting off is going to cost 449 euros. I have no idea what that means in United States dollars, but let's find out. Now, I'm looking at this radar, and that hurricane that went through Jamaica a few days ago is bringing all this rain. It hadn't quite hit Texas yet, but the low pressure system is nailing us here in South Texas. It is really storming outside. I heard a couple raindrops. And I was like, rain? It's been dry as hell here lately. I was like, oh yeah, that storm is coming up to us. And it is really coming down outside. Okay, so 449 euros. So what does that equal? Did I already put it down there? Yeah. Wait, euro. Maybe I got the price wrong. Let me see. I may have to adjust it. Let me ask GOOGLE. How much is 449 euros in US dollars? It's $486. I need to adjust my website. Oh shit. So this is going to be so look, and that's an equivalent price. Now, they're not always the exact amount, the exact equivalent, but right around there, right? So they can adjust the prices. It may come in US dollars 449. I have no idea, because at 486, and that's before taxes, right? How much would that be with tax? Now, depending on where you're at, let's see. I think 486. So here in Texas, 486 times 1.0825%. $526 for this ring. $526. Wow. Whew. Man, that's expensive. The Aurora ring, which I think, Daniel, you got that. One of the most popular smart rings, starts at $299 in the US. Samsung's about to stomp all over that price. My God. I'll adjust the website here when I'm done, but golly. It says the Aurora ring can go up to $550 depending on the style and color. Additionally, Aurora requires a yearly subscription of about $70 to access all the health information. In contrast, the Galaxy Ring will not charge a monthly subscription fee, at least for the first year, which may be the reason for its higher initial price. Now, this will track everything all in your Samsung health app. I don't know if, here's the thing, you know how Galaxy Buds work with any Android phone? You just download the Galaxy Wearable app on your Pixel or your Nothing phone. I wonder, is this Galaxy Ring going to work with any Android phone, right? Simple download of I'm assuming the Wearable app, right? And your ring selection will be in there. I'm assuming that's the case.